Hello my dear students, how are you all? Hopefully in this difficult time of coronavirus, everyone is healthy and studying carefully at home because there is no alternative to study. And so again welcome to watch today's online class patiently and attentively. I am Shima Akhtar, assistant teacher at Balijuri FM High School, Madarganj, Jamalpur. What can you see in the picture? This is a rose. What can you see in the picture? This is an egg. And what is this? This is an owl. What is the picture about? The sun sets on the west. Number 1, this is a rose. A. Number 2, this is an egg. And number 3, this is an owl. And number 4, the sun rises in the east. D. We have got some underlines words in the above mentioned 4 sentences like A, An and the. How can we turn A, An and the in grammatical points of view? Topic of today article A and the. Learning outcomes. At the end of the class, a student will be able to tell the definition of article, classify between definite and indefinite article, tell the use of indefinite article, tell the use of a and an according to letter and sound, develop speaking and writing skill. A bus, article plus noun. An owl, article plus noun. The sun, article plus noun. An owl, article plus noun. Definition of articles. An article is a word used to modify a noun which is a person, place, object or idea. Technically, an article is an adjective which is any word that modifies a noun. Usually adjectives modify nouns through description, but articles are used instead to point out or refer to nouns. A man, a leg, a car, an illiterate man. There are 2 indefinite articles in English, a and an. They are used before a singular noun that has a plural form. A is used before a consonant sound and an is used before a vowel sound. The sound is more important than the spelling. We say an umbrella and a union because the sound of the first letter are different. Consonant B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. A is used before name begin with consonant. Articles A and the. use any word that begins with a vowel A, E, I, O, U. A, an apple. E, an egg. I, an iPad. O, an oven. U, an umbrella. When to use any word that begins with a consonant, not a vowel. A book, a dog bone, a town, a cup of coffee, a house, a drink. A boy, a cat, a dog, a fan, a house, a goat, a kite, a lion. A microbus, a nurse, a pigeon, a queen, a rat, a snake, a toy, a violin, Xerox machine, a waterfall. A Xerox machine, a waterfall. A L, a giraffe. Vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Apple is A, apple. Elephant is E, elephant. Igloo is I, igloo. Orange is O, orange. Umbrella is U, umbrella. An apple, an elephant. An eagle, a inkpot. Orange. The little girl is carrying an umbrella. Use of indefinite article may vary in some cases for sound and roles. The word one always takes a before is instead of an. A one-eyed man. A 1 taka note. A horse. A house. When a word begins with is and pronounces like ha, it takes a before it like consonant. A horse, a house. An honest man does not take bribe or gift for work. An honest man. When a word begins with is and pronounces like o, it takes an before it instead of taking a. An honest. An honest. A dishonest man takes bribe. Here you can see 3 pictures and 3 sentences. Let's match sentence 3 with picture 3. This is an urgent letter for you. An ultrasonography. The cute girl holds an umbrella. This is an urgent letter for you. An ultrasonography. The cute girl holds an umbrella. Dhaka University is a famous university. When a noun begins with U and pronounces pronounces like you. It takes a instead of an. Discuss with your partner and solve the gap with article. Number 1, I want dash orange. Number 2, this is dash house. Number 3, Kamal carries dash umbrella. Number 4, I have dash 1 taka note. Number 5, I saw dash owl. Number 6, dash honest man is loved by all. Number 7, she is dash nuts. Number 8, the man is dash Indian. Number 9, this is dash cat. Number 10, I am afraid of dash snake. Look at the picture and pronounce with indefinite article a and an. Homework: write down 20 words with article and submit in the next class. Thank you all for attending my class.